Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to set up a work desk and create a productive working space for yourself. I have been working from home for quite a time now and I really needed a really good desk, which I by the way got it from IKEA. I'm gonna show you in a bit. But before starting the process, I really needed to clean my room since it was cluttered all the way around. As you can see, I cleaned my floor and I decluttered my space by putting all my clothes inside my wardrobe, which you're gonna see in a bit now. But oh, there I am enjoying my breakfast meal. But I have to make sure that the floor is clean so that my desk does not get stained or dusty at all. It might look to you that the unboxing process took only few seconds here, but that's the magic of time-lapse, guys. It took me almost 15 minutes to open the strongly protected desk, although I'm really glad that IKEA does package their all the goods really well. So I love how shiny and white it is, and the size of this desk is perfect. But after that, I was just going through the manual, reading it, because this is the first time of me building a work desk. Yes, the first time. But I've heard the IKEA table was very easy, although, well, I won't say. You will find out in the end. But first thing which I did was check the screws provided and needed so that they are equal and I can build my desk with no problem at all. Quick update. It's not easy to set up a desk, let alone IKEA desk. I thought कि बहुत easy होने वाला है, लेकिन बिल्कुल easy नहीं है. The screw, I mean अच्छा है, लेकिन क्योंकि वो curved edges पे मुझे करना पड़ा screw, तो उस पे it is clashing बार बार. So मैं सोची कि क्यों नहीं मैं बैठ कर ये बता दूँ कि इट्स नॉट ईजी. वर्क डेस्क सेटअप करना इज़ नॉट ईजी. आई हैव जस्ट स्क्रूड 4 स्क्रूज. अभी लेग सेटअप कर रही हूँ. लेग सेटअप आधा हुआ है, आधा भी नहीं, एक लेग सेट किया है, वो भी आधा. स्क्रूज अंदर ही नहीं जा रहे यार. I actually forgot to show you what IKEA looks like, because even for me it was the first time that I was visiting IKEA. Just a caution that I might seem excited and my voice might be a little louder, so beware of the volume level that you have in your headphones or laptop. Lighting थोड़ी बेकार है, but it's manageable. So I'm gonna go to IKEA and get my desk finally, and I'll do all the setup. And that's how I'm gonna go to IKEA. I really don't care about my pajama, but yeah, I look decent.
सबके तो ना सब देखा है, देख उधर प्लेट भी रखे हैं, इधर ये भी रखे हैं. ये तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री देते हैं. ये घड़ी भी मस्त है. इधर
घड़ी भी मस्त है. हाँ, लेट जा. कितना बड़ा है. ओ भाई साहब. let's go back in video now. I really try hard here to make it happen, but I think unfortunately the screwdriver were clashing with the desk leg, and because of that I was not able to pull it off. Here I was waiting for my friend to come because I called him and I said like, I need your help, I cannot do this alone. So I thought to open the add-on unit. Just as I was opening the package, I knew that this one is going to take a lot of my blood, sweat and tear. The manual itself was 10 pages long, not to exaggerate. There it is. This is my friend, guys, helping me out, and we got actually another pair of screwdriver set which made the whole process very smooth. But thank you Dipesh for helping me out and actually building it all up for me. You will see how the desk is building up, and finally guys, it's coming to this shape. Finally guys, the table is set. Like, I don't know how many hours I have spent, but this is how it is looking right now. Ignore that pencils. So this is add-on from IKEA. You have to buy it separately. The table is good, it's strong. I'm gonna decorate it and set up everything where it belongs. I've always imagined myself decorating my own workspace since the beginning of a student's life, and finally that day came. Yes, I had a lot of books, but a lot of them are inaudible, so you can only see few of them here as a hard copy. There is so much of storage, guys, and the best part is that I can keep my laptop and charger hidden at the bottom where they look really pretty and decluttered. So honestly, I thought it would not be sufficient for me, but after decorating everything, as you will see, I still had upper shelf left, and I think that's how it turned out to be. So finally I have my monitor and keyboard here. This is the monitor which my company gave. It's almost 24-inch, and the keyboard also given by my company. So I really thank them, and this is how my overall work desk look. There would be one more laptop for screen split, but overall I have so much of space left for a lot of things that I can do here. Good morning everyone. So it's the next day and I already feel so productive in my workspace. It really made me happy and energetic. I love the spacing here, and with all the 3 monitor and laptop, I still have so much of space to do my journaling. Yes, so journaling is something that I have been doing for almost year and a half, since 2019, and this desk provides me enough space to do all my creative work as well. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and supporting me every single day. If you like this video and want to see more from me, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel because I post videos every Saturday. Till then, take care and see you all in my next video. Bye.